Top 5 trading bots. We're going to talk about Gunbot now. So these next two are really kind of the most popular ones. Gunbot is very trusted. It's a one-time payment, so lifetime. Has a strategies marketplace where you can buy strategies that people have created, and then it works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. So that's a good plus. The con on it, well, the trading strategies can be a little expensive. I mean, people are going to charge you for them, and it is a server-recommended product. The features of it: lifetime license, supports the largest exchanges, has a strategies marketplace, there's multiple buy-sell strategies, there's over 4,000 users currently using it, and it's pretty easy to use. It's supported on the biggest ones, so Bittrex, Poloniex, Binance, Kraken, Bitfinex, Cryptopia, all of those. There are 3 plans, and again, the thing I don't like about it is they charge a Bitcoin price on it. So currently that's $750 to $2,250, but it is a lifetime, one-time fee. The number of exchanges is kind of varies depending on what price plan you choose, and then also the top 2 price plans have a trading view option that can be pretty nice. So I give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. The only bad part about it, of course, is that it's based off of Bitcoin pricing, so it continues to increase.